How to contact customer support in PRIMEXBT. Are you guys facing issues to contact customer support on PRIMEXBT website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, search for PRIMEXBT website. After you enter the PRIMEXBT website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen, where you can see a profile icon. After you click on your profile icon, you will be provided with multiple options. Just simply tap on Support Chat. After you click on Support Chat, you will be forwarded to this interface. Now just simply write down the message. The customer service will be available to help you out with your certain issues. Now just simply send the message, and that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna contact customer support on PRIMEXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.